To do this trend, you need to have Capcut and a VPN if you're free India. First of all, you have to connect VPN if you're from India. Now open Capcut, go to New Project and add the photo. Now click on Text, then add text and then click on Add Font. You can get this font and photo from link given below in the description. I have already added the font. To add, you have to click on plus icon, then you can import from your gallery. Now click on the font and type your name and place on the photo. Now set photo duration to 11 seconds and then apply the text layer till the end of the video and then export your video. Now after this, click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. After this, you will be directed to Capcut. Now click on Use Template and add the video you just exported, and then click on Preview. Now check your video and export. Now to add a different audio, go back to New Project and add the video you just exported. Now turn down the video volume to 0, and then add the audio. If you don't have the audio, you can get it from link given below in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.